Welcome. So in this video, we'll be talking about how to host our website in the cloud, so that it could be accessible from any device anywhere in the world. So first of all, we'll be using our complete web hosting platform. So this platform would enable us to host our website for just $1, $1, or let's say $2 in a month. So sorry, €2 in a month. So to get started, you have to create an account, and for that, you just have to put your first name, your last name, your phone number, email address. Then you could leave this if you don't have a company. Then you could fill this, which is just um a little maths 2 plus 5. This is just to confirm that you are human. Then you have password, which you have to input, of course. So I just have to log in. So okay, so after logging in, this is how it actually looks like. So I guess you register, and after registering, you have to you'll be redirected to this page. So here now you could see I'm currently hosting one website with this um complete web hosting. You could also use other services such as Bluehost. So Bluehost is another web hosting service, which is also among the best. You could save up to 70% off if you are hosting a WordPress site. Okay, so for now, if you want to get if you want to register a domain or buy a domain, you could come here and put the name, register, or if you want to transfer an old domain, maybe an already registered domain, with press transfer, but a new one, you click on register, and you could see it says 13 point, let's just say €14, and I have my domain.com. If I click on the add to cart, okay, and click on checkout, yes. So there are so many things you could get. So you could get emails forwarded to internet emails of your choice that can be monitored from a single angle. And you could also get protection information that includes this padlock. Then you could also get DNS management, which is open to speed up your website, improve availability with increased redundancy. So if you click all of this, you're actually going to have a very secure website, and it's going to follow the process, and your website is easily going to be used anywhere without the fear of it being unsecure. So after this, you continue shopping, and you get to pay 29.96, almost €30 annually, which means it is 1 year. So you're paying for 1 year, and after 1 year, you get to pay again. So if you have a promo code, you could use that to check out this bill to make it at least lesser than this, or maybe you're not going to pay anything. So for now, I don't have a promo code, but maybe as time goes on, I would have a promo code for you to use this hosting service for almost free. So after using this, after maybe after getting your um domain name. You could access files. You could access your files if you click on service. Now this is the domain I'm currently using. I hosted with this. So these are the files in this registered to this domain. So you could access the files here, and also you could do a lot of things. So you can log into the control panel where you will be able to access like a file explorer so that you could get all your files done. So immediately you're in the web control panel, you have access to hotlinks protection. So this has to be do with this security, connection is secure and all that. Then PHP settings. Then what I want you to know for now is our file manager. So for now, we'll be dealing with file manager. So this file manager allows us to directly access files from here, files in our website. So to get a website into the cloud, you have to upload it to this folder that says public HTML. Now, these codes right here, these are code, they are permission codes. So they allow a folder to either be writable, meaning you could access the folder from anywhere and edit it, or your option could be only view and not write or not rewrite. And there's so many things about this code, and we'll have a lesson specifically for permission codes. So for now, if you want to upload your website you just created in the previous video, you could click on the public HTML, double click, and right here you have, this is the list of things that are in my um my public folder for now. But if you want to upload, you just click on upload, then you look for the file right here. It was saved to desktop, and so when you click on that, it automatically takes you to your um, file manager, where you look for the file in your desktop and the folder. So you upload the folder right here, and when you upload it, you see the file here. And to access that file, since you already bought a domain, for now I'm just going to access this file, this note app file. So to access this file, I just say I type out my domain. If I follow it with the hashtag, I would just get a list of all my files. So from here, I could just click and I get to my file. So this is my note app, online note app for keeping of files. So this takes me automatically to this point. So this is how you use the internally built feature of our complete web developing websites. So you could use this very well, and I recommend it to you. 100% sure you enjoy it and it's very useful. So if you also have other web hosting sites you want to use, feel free to use them, provided you know how to manipulate them for your own good. So otherwise, I advise you to use the complete web developing the complete web hosting.com. It allows you to do most things, especially when it comes to backend. So I'll see you in the next video.